is our question worksheet quiz for kids. Are elephants big? Is he young? Am I late? Is the weather sunny? Are they students? Are David and Eve here? Am I tall? Is it old? Is she a singer? Are her clothes new? Is he a farmer? Is my book under the table? Are they doctors? Are they in the library? Is Michael Mexican? Are you very sick? Is the book blue? Is your dog friendly? Are these cars new? Have a nice day. Bye.